Hello everyone, welcome to this online class. We are discussing about the first chapter, that is representation of geographical features. Many of you said not able to understand. It is because continuation of the 7th standard. This is part of 10th standard syllabus. So by ICSE board, recently this has been introduced from 6th standard onwards. So when you are familiar with the signs and symbols from the 6th standard onwards, then only you will be able to understand. So if you are not able to understand, don't worry about that. Slowly you will be able to understand. But now you remember the definition of those relief features and how they are shown with the help of contour lines. So in this video we shall discuss about two landscape, that is conical hill, gentle slope and steep slope. So you could see that conical hill is shown with the contour lines. We have learned what is contour lines. Contour lines means joining the same place of a height from the mean sea level. The lines which join the same place which are having the same height from the mean sea level. So the shape of the mountains cannot be drawn on the map. So what they show it? They show the shape of the landscape with the help of contour lines. This is contour line that will be shown on the map. So you will be able to understand by looking at the pattern and the closeness of this contour lines, what is the shape of the land. Let's say the first one is conical hill. Conical hill, in the sense you might have seen conical, this cone ice cream, right? So proportionally all the sides are equal, uniform. In the same sense, the mountains which are proportional, means from all the directions, all the sides, they are having bit conical shape. So how that can be shown? Here the contour lines, you could see the contour lines, both the sides are having the same gap. They are not having the far away from each other in one side, or this side is something different. No. So as they are equal, the height or the gap interval between the contour is same this direction as well as these directions, you could see. So from this we can interpret, or we can say that this contour line is showing the shape of the conical hill. Alright. Now the next one is gentle slope and the steep slope. So gentle slopes and steep slope we have discussed in the previous video. Still there is need to be discussed more regarding this gentle slope and steep slope. You could see the contours are very close to each other. That means this side actually the landscape is very steep. That's why after every 100 meter of the gap, one contour will be drawn. So this side you could see the contours are very close to each other. So when they are close to each other means the actual landscape is very steep. You can see. And this side, when you compare, the contours are very far away from each other. That means the contour interval is very far. In the sense, all these things, all are this having the 100 meters of gap, but this side is having the far gap far away from each other because the landscape is gentle. It is not having the steep slope. So in that sense, looking at these contour lines, you will be able to interpret or understand which type of slope or which type of hill is shown on the topographical map. Don't worry about the difficulty in understanding of this topographical map. Slowly you will be able to understand, because this is part of the 10th standard syllabus. So when you reach up to 10th standard, obviously you will understand what is about this topography and how they are understood by different signs and symbols. Alright, so in the next video we shall discuss about again two landscape, about the ridge and watershed. Thank you for watching this video so patiently. Any queries, any doubt is there, please ask in WhatsApp. Don't comment that I am not able to understand in YouTube. Ask personally in WhatsApp so that in what way possible I could help you out. Thank you. Have a nice day.